okay?
She's
I don't
girl,
know.
You look horrible.
What the?
Yeah, let me just turn to...
Who is this?
motherfucker.
Girl, I think you joined under the wrong save file. I
All
want the biggest
tight.
forehead possible.
Alright. I officially renamed my mushroom to fucking
Oh my
awesome.
god! Captain America
What
looking
the
ass
fuck?
bitch. Walmart having ass bitch.
What's wrong with Walmart?
Nothing. Save money, live
I
better.
don't know.
Walmart.
I don't go there.
She looks fucking high.
Bro, zombie. Can you see my character?
Dude, she's fucking. Why is she keeping on the side like that? Why is your face so square? You look like a Roblox character.
I'm the Wicked Witch of the West. Don't judge her.
No,
She
you're the
gon'
Teletubby of the East, bitch.
It's on him.
Yeah, that's true. Ew!
Oh my god! The way she peeping. She said, "Hey, how are you?"
Ew, the way it's paused.
Yappy. Fucking old bitch. Oh my god, I seen cobwebs.
Bro, I sound like...
My day is going good. My car currently is being towed to the shop because it's not working right. It's making this weird clunking noise. Oh my god.
Not the clunky noise.
Oh, you need a new outfit? I got you.
Wait, I'm not in the car.
Oh.
Alright.
This is the branded. Ah!
Dude, what the?
You won't go.
Yeah! Oh!
See how much it is.
Oh my god!
Did you flash your stream?
No, you flashed this fucking stream. What the?
Oh god.
Girl, there's a Ford Explorer on your car. Oh my god, what is happening out here?
What did you do? Oh my god, it's the apocalypse.
Who's the purge? Oh my goodness.
Oh
my god!
Oh, these bitches want to fight. Let's go. Come on, World Star. Oh. We're about to get hit by a car! You just...
Oh!
Oh my god!
Yeah.
No.
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Oh! Reality, bitch.
Bitch, I said stop fucking calling
It
me.
is so aggressive. My finger again. Wait, hold on, Loki, she might know. Alexa, what does Gollum from Lord of the Rings sound like?
Oh my god, I can't. Hello? Tokyo Drift in that shit?
Gollum from the Lord of...
Don't look at my skirt.
Oh my god!
Oh my! Dude, they are swarming us.
I'm scared. Oh my god! Okay, we about to go off-roading. Okay. Look, there's a...
Hi sisters, James Charles here.
And welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I can like...
Why is this body twitching? Austin, I got the perfect car for us. Get in.
Where?
We're going. We out this bitch. Oh my god!
I love this game! Where am
Oh
I
my god! Is there water? Oh my god! I can't.
Miss Girl!
Come here, bitch. Where you at? Where you at? You got me all the way fucked up, bitch.
What? Shitty butt.
Get the fuck over here, bitch.
Oh my god!
Come here. Sit down, bitch. I said take a shit.
Oh! Okay, let's go. Oh, what? Girl, drive! That tank has been pursuing us. Oh my god!
What an entrance. What is my arm doing? What is
Oh. Oh my god!
Oh my Oh,
my god! Please
don't
don't.
pull me
Oh my
out! Hey, that's rude. I'm a woman, bitch.
god. I can't get back in the car. Oh, that's why.
I'm a fucking woman. Oh! Yeah, get the fuck out.
Oh my god. Oh. I became Kung Fu Panda.
No, they're already here. Oh, I said
This
stop fucking
I
hitting
bitch
me,
tank
bitch.
on accident. Turn that off. Off to save the world.
Oh, oh my god. This is why you don't text and drive.
Oh my god, I look terrifying.
You think? Hell nah, walking dead ass bitch. Austin!
What?
Oh my god! I got. I was hanging by my fucking head. Oh my god!
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god! Messages that I need to. Hello? Hello?
Oh my god, you look like
Hello?
me.
I have to. I'm gonna make a TikTok about. Wanna
Girl.
hang? Alright, well, hopefully I see you in another stream, Chloe girl. Chloe girl! Alright, bye guys!
A vagina.
Not just saying bitch. Oh my god! Did you fucking quack? Oh my headset!
I just fell out of my chair.